Hey crafters, it's Shari here with Graphic 45, and who's ready to take a trip to the countryside with me? I have our brand new special edition collections. I've got our Keepsake Edition, Farmhouse here. This Keepsake Edition has over 180 gorgeous pieces to use, and the exclusive Keepsake Kit with metal die set here. This you can get by becoming a subscriber, and it has over 190 pieces, including this 11-piece metal die set that is exclusive to this. And you can always pick up the Keepsake Edition pack on our website at g45papers.com. You can grab these both at your local G45 retailer as well, so check out our store locator for a Graphic 45 store near you. Let me show you what's inside. So let's start with the Keepsake Edition. This is the pack that does not include the exclusive metal die. So they both have these fabulous plastic folders that are reusable, and you can store all of your leftover products inside. Take a look at all these fabulous goodies in this Farmhouse Keepsake Edition pack. You're gonna get a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. You can see there's all sorts of fabulous stickers on here. And these are, of course, a great heavy-duty cardstock sticker. There's a lot of great sentiments on here that are gonna be easy to use on your projects. Best day ever, sweet, to everything there is a season, thanks, grateful. This is my happy place. So we went in and made this collection even more fabulous by updating the sentiments, live, laugh, love, and really making it so it's going to be irresistible to use. These stickers also have a nice little sheen that will make your projects pop. You're also going to get 8 double-sided patterns and solids in all those gorgeous colors. These are 12 by 12 papers. I've got the solid side here for you, and then flip this over and you'll see how great these patterns are. So these are going to be great for all of your photo mats, card bases, and really make your projects stand out with the different layers. And of course it comes with our best-selling embellishment, the ephemera assortment die-cut pieces. In here you're going to get 84 die-cut pieces of all different sizes. Just to show you a few, we've got Way to Go in here. Life is better with friends. I absolutely agree with that. Happiness is homegrown, thankful. So great to add onto a thank you card. I'm also loving the idea of using this collection for Thanksgiving. You could make some really great little place cards. Also, home decor, some great kitchen decorations. We'd love to hear from you. How are you going to use our Farmhouse collection? You know, Amy and I grew up on a farm when we were young. Our mom, Diane, was quite the farmer, which is hard to believe now, but these collections are really bring home a lot of really great nostalgic memories. And no collection would be complete without Graphic 45's signature page. So our signature page is always the first page in the collection that tells the story, sets the scene. It's going to give you all the colors in the color palette and the images. How gorgeous are these florals, polka dots, newspaper print. You know, we love a cut apart page. Those animals are so cute. Our chalkboard black, chickens. So what do you think, Graphic 45ers? Are you going to be fussy cutting these images out, or are you an ephemera assortment fan? Let us know in the comments which you prefer. You gotta love these plastic folders for tucking everything back in all nice and neat. So if you loved the Keepsake Edition, You're gonna love the keepsake kit with exclusive metal die. In here, you're gonna get all the same goodies that you got in that keepsake pack, but you're also gonna get this exclusive metal die. So let me jump in here, open this up. Along with that die, you're also gonna get this project sheet that has directions on how you can use it to create a fun little card. Here we've got 2 examples, and we love what Amy has created with our metal die. This 11-piece die set comes with 3 different sentiments. We have grateful, thanks, blessed. So perfect for all your thank you cards, but also Thanksgiving. We have this sign. It's got some nice little detail in there with the signpost, of course. And each of these sentiments fits perfectly on our sign. And then, of course, you have some decorative pieces. How cute are these little chickens? Let us know, what's your favorite die in the pack? You like these little detailed flourishes. These are just going to add some nice little polish to your projects. Hearts, flowers, leaves, the whole kit is absolutely fabulous. Grabbing the keepsake edition with the metal die set is easy. Just become a subscriber and you'll get this kit sent directly to you in the mail. You'll also get a kit about every 3 months with a brand new Graphic 45 collector's edition. These are limited edition and they're always gorgeous, filled with inspiration, ephemera, the die cuts, and 24 double-sided papers. Of course, you can cancel your subscription anytime, making it easy breezy. We hope you are thrilled with this metal die set, but let us know what you want to see for future Graphic 45 metal dies. We always love to hear from you. We'd also love to know what keepsake editions you'd like to see next. These are retired Graphic 45 collections that we have brought back per your request. So if you requested Farmhouse, let us know in the comments below and let us know what you'd like to see next. Thanks for joining us. We are blessed to have you here as our G45ers, and as always, we are grateful for you. Be sure to subscribe if you're looking for more great videos like this one, and hit that notification bell so you know when we have a new video up. Thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.